家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。我们这个月教的单词应该都是跟形容词有关，
对，
而且比较有趣的，比较特别的。像说，有时候我们做事情很灵活啊，或者你身手很灵活啊，对不对 ？You can be very agile, or you can be very flexible, or you're a quick learner, for instance. 灵活怎么说？
朗利。
好，我们讲的是比较身体的灵活度好了。比如说我阿婆啊，她90岁了，身体还很健康，手脚也很灵活。How do you say that? My grandma, who is 90 years old, is still very agile.
阿婆90歲咧，
阿婆90歲咧，
喊一孔天，手腳咩動朗利，
就手脚
很利落，
很灵活利落这样子。然后呢，有另外一种灵活，可能是学习很快。对不对？我们就说，比如说新同事很灵活，工作很快就上手。Another way to use agile is you're a quick learner. So the new colleague is a quick learner, and he or she was able to do the job quickly.
新同事一朗利，做事一嗨，手邊縮數咧。
Could be the brain, or it could be your hand and feet. There you have it. Let's review some of the phrases that are useful, including healthy, 健康。
孔天也可以说为天操。
天操 two different ways of saying that. And then 手脚 hand and feet.
手腳
And finally, to be agile, 灵活。
朗利
And there you go. All about adjectives here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.